Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be reviewing every natural's favorite hair gel. This bad boy right here, the Wetline Xtreme. Yep, that's right, the Wetline Xtreme. So over the past 5 months, I have been seeing this gel just pop up everywhere. Like, this gel is every natural's staple gel now. So I decided that I wanted to do a wash and go with this. I've never actually done a wash and go with this. I've used this to style my hair, do buns and whatnot, but I've never actually used it for a wash and go. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a wash and go using this gel. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay notified every time I post a new video. So we're just gonna jump right into it. You know, we're gonna hop right into it. So real quickly, just in case if you guys are wondering, the leave-in that I use today is not actually a leave-in. It's the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel. So it's a cream gel. I decided to use this as my leave-in just because it's a cream gel. So I figured it would give me some type of moisture as well as definition before I go in with the gel. So I used this on my hair. And now I'm just gonna jump right into my first section. So as you guys know, I like to do my hair in 4 sections. In the shower, apply my leave-in in the shower in 4 sections, and then just jump right into my wash and go. So what I'm going to do is go into my first section and start the whole process. So we're gonna see what this gel do. We're gonna see if it's worth the hype, you know. All right, let's go.
He's not talking about leaving me door. What's going on over here? What focus on me? It's recording.
I know, like, why are you just standing there? With this gel, I kind of have to do smaller sections just to make sure that, like, my hair is defined the way I want it to be defined. So I'm actually going to start doing like smaller sections. Just gonna take this section right here and go in with my spray bottle just to re-moisturize that section. And the curl sculpt feels pretty nice on my hair. I feel like it moisturized my hair and it kind of gave me definition of as well. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with this gel again, and it feels pretty good on my hair. Like, I don't know, and it's defining my curls like pretty well, so we shall see. Ooh, yes child, look at this. Ooh, oh my god! Wow! So that is what my hair is looking like right there. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to continue, like I said, until I finish my whole entire head. Because, I don't know, it feels really good. I'm gonna do a quick comparison. So this is just with the curl sculpt and this is with the Wetline and the curl sculpt. So I'm gonna just like kind of do, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to detangle my hair. Then I'm gonna go in with the gel, you know how I do. I like to smooth it into my hair first and then I rake it just to make sure that it is applied thoroughly onto my strands. And first of all, now that I'm looking at these curls, they look mad juicy and they're defined as hell. Like, what is this? I guess my hair is like curling up more now that it's drying a little bit, so it looks pretty good. And don't mind me guys, I like to make sure that I rake all of the gel onto my hair just to make sure that I get max definition. I don't like shingling, so I have to rake the product into my hair just to ensure that it's applied properly. And this is what this section is looking like. These curls look pretty good. Like, I'm really and they feel really nice and soft. Okay, like, oh my gosh, do you guys see that? So yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it, and I love how my hair is feeling with the curl sculpt by itself. It feels pretty moisturized, pretty good. It smells good too. I forgot to mention that. It smells good. This Wetline Xtreme doesn't smell that bad either. So, you know, now I see why this is everyone's favorite gel, because this definition goes crazy, guys. Like, this definition goes hard. Let's see.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my body.
Do you see like the shrinkage though? This is my hair because it's drying up, so it's shrinking like really short. Like, look at this shrinkage compared to like this. I mean, this side is gonna shrink up like this too once it dries, but do you guys see like the difference? Like, look at that. What the hell? Like, okay. So I finished my first section right here, so I clamped it away. So now I'm going to move on to my next section, which is right here. And this is just what my hair looks like with the Curl Sculpt Conditioning Gel. So it why can't I talk? Whoa. It feels pretty good. It's nice and moisturized, and it's sort of defined as well. I wouldn't say that I can get away with a one product wash and go with this, because I feel like my hair would frizz up by the end of the day. But you know, just, I don't know, I like this. It's been sitting in my stash for like a while now, and I've kind of been like intrigued to try it, but I don't know, I just haven't done it. But so far, like, I'm liking it, and it mixes well with the Wetline Xtreme, which is another reason why I used it, because I wanted to ensure that I had nice and moisturized hair as well as defined hair, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't get flakes, because I'm going on vacation tomorrow and my wash and go needs to be popping, because you know I'm gonna be taking pictures and whatnot. So yeah, but the curls look pretty good on their own with just this Curl Sculpt Conditioning Gel. I don't know. So now I'm gonna apply the wet line on top of it. Oh my gosh. It feels really good. It really does. I ain't gonna lie. It kind of, I don't know, it's nice and soft. The sound it makes, like, it's so, oh gosh. Look, do you guys hear that? And this definition goes crazy, like, what? Wow.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah.
So I am done and I'm just shaking my hair just to make sure that my curls are nice and clumped together. But so far I am loving how my hair looks. Like, I'm kind of shocked and surprised that I didn't try Wetline because I've had it, I just haven't used it for a wash and go. And this wash and go looked pretty good, and for a gel that's like $3 for that size, I'm content. Like, I can't complain. I honestly can't complain. My hair feels good. It smells pretty good as well. The definition go crazy. So I'm just going to let my hair air dry for an hour, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair. And once I am done with my whole entire styling process, I'm going to come back on camera so you guys can see what this hair is looking like. So I will see you guys in a few. Hey y'all, so today is day 2. So this is day 2 here. As you guys can see, I have a nice volume and shape to my hair, which I love, okay? Like, I really love it. And yeah, so with that being said, I really like the Wetline Xtreme. It's moisturizing, or not really moisturizing, but it feels moisturizing. So I'll say it has the feeling of moisture, you know? It has nice slip to it. It didn't leave my hair feeling, you know, tangled once I put the gel on. And overall, it just defined my hair as well as gave my hair volume, which I love. So those 3 things will lead me to continually use this gel for wash and goes and to slick down my hair, because I used to use it to slick down my hair. So I'm going to continue using it to slick down my hair as well. With that being said, guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comments in the comment section down below. And until next time, guys, peace and love always. Bye.
You meant the world